Wait, are you still paying every month just to export your CapCut videos? In this video, I will show you how to edit and export smart with the free version. Keep your quality high and decide when CapCut Pro is actually worth it, so you are not throwing away $10 every month for nothing. Hey, welcome to DevOrDie Tech. I will show you what the free version can really do, how to avoid hidden limitations, and some clever workflows so you only pay for Pro if you actually need 4K, premium effects, or watermark-free exports. Quick disclaimer before we start, we're not hacking CapCut, we're not bypassing payments, and we're not breaking their terms of service. Let us see the problem. I am in a normal project. I add some trending effects, maybe an extract audio feature, and a few premium templates. Looks amazing now. I tap export, and boom, export is locked behind CapCut Pro. It's listing all the Pro element I used in the timeline. And if need to export, we need to subscription for Pro plan. In here, see, I used CapCut audio extract feature, and it is also support as Pro element. But with my method, I will show we can export. In this video, I am using premium templates for the titles. But here's the good news. You can use any of these elements without limitations. And do not worry, even if you add Pro elements to your timeline, you can still export your video properly. No stress. This means you can make your videos look way more professional, more attractive to viewers, and ultimately increase your chances of getting more views. So let us take advantage of it. Now I am going to try exporting it again with the Pro elements included. But look, it is detecting and counting all the Pro elements I used in the timeline. Do not skip this part. Watch until the end, and I will show you step by step exactly what to do. If you do not have CapCut yet, open a new browser window and type CapCut. Just go to CapCut.com using first link and click on Download. Once it is downloaded, follow the installation instructions and install it on your computer. It only takes a few minutes. If you already have installed, update the application, and then you can use new released Pro elements. So I am using latest version, and also I am logged in with my personal email. Now navigate to setting and update file save location. Otherwise, it will be hard to do my future suggesting steps. Also make sure to turn off automatic updates of the application. To do it, navigate to General tab in the settings and choose Get Notified About Updates option, and then save it. Alright, everything is set. Now create a new project and check if your changes are already there with the updated settings. To confirm, look at the right side panel. You will see all the details there. And this is the video I created using Pro elements, which you saw at the beginning of this video. Also, if need, you can use effects, transitions, color adjustments that support on Pro version to export. Okay, here's the trick. Select all the timeline elements you added to your video by using the mouse selection. Also, you can use Ctrl+A to select all elements. Right-click after selection and choose Create Compound Object in this context menu, and wait few seconds until it is combining all the elements into a one object. After combination completed, drag the playhead to see all are included in the object. So now select the object and navigate to right panel and select Video tab. In the Video tab, scroll down and you can see Motion Blur option in the panel bottom. Check the Motion Blur option and make it value as 0. You can put a value you wanted, but I am choosing 0 here. You can see it's applying motion blur option to the video. You can see the progress and you need to wait until it's complete 100%. This is similar to video rendering and need to wait few minutes. It's normal and based on your PC performance. Until it completed, you can open project file saved location. To see the location, click outside of the timeline and then you can see the folder path in right side panel. Open your File Explorer and navigate to the exact path that we set in the beginning. In the main folder, you can see all the project folders that have been created. You need to open the folder for the project you are currently working on. Usually it appears at the bottom of your project list. So go ahead and open that one. This is the project you are currently working on. Inside this folder, you will see another folder named Resources. Open that. After that, you will find a folder called Videog. Go ahead and open that as well. Now you should be able to see the video we created using the Pro elements. You can use this video file directly if you want. However, for the best quality, I highly recommend reopening it in CapCut and exporting it properly. Here's exactly how to do it. Follow these steps. So first, adjust your workspace so you can see both the CapCut timeline and the folder. Then drag your video file directly into the timeline. Move it to the very beginning of the timeline. Now, you do not need the combined video object anymore, so go ahead and delete it. After deleting the original video object, move the newly added video to the main track on the timeline. Now, scrub through the timeline by moving the playhead and check the video. As you can see, all the pro elements we added are still there in the video. Now, CapCut will not block us, and we can export the video without any restrictions or distractions. So there is no need to pay for a monthly subscription. In the video quality dropdown, you can choose any resolution you want for your export. You can adjust any of the other export settings based on your project needs. After you have selected everything the way you want, click Export. CapCut will then begin rendering your video with those exact settings. Boom! The video is rendered and ready. Give it a second. CapCut will automatically create the 9:16 mobile version too. Now, you cannot export that mobile version directly, but do not worry. I've got a workaround for that, and I will show you exactly how in the next video. Alright, everything's done. Let us watch the final result. Click Open Folder, and CapCut will instantly take you to the rendered video. And there it is, created with Pro elements. You can use the same method for your own videos, and stop wasting that $10 every month. See, the quality of the video also same and no any identified issues. Keep watching, I need to show something. Like I mentioned, I have got a method to export the auto-generated mobile version too. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you will be the first to catch my new videos. So have another important step before we end this video. So go ahead, cancel your subscription if you want, drop a comment to encourage me, and let me know anything you want to learn next. By the way, in the 7.9 version of CapCut, you did not even need to follow these steps, you could export quickly. But now, I showed you the updated method step by step. Okay, here's one last important thing you need to know. When you remove the original video object, you are also removing all the individual edits you made. We will talk about that now. To keep your current video project editable, you need to undo all the previous steps by pressing Ctrl+Z repeatedly until your timeline returns to the editable stage. Once it is back, wait a few seconds and your project will automatically save. Now, you can open this project anytime, just like you normally would, to continue editing if need more updates on the video. If you have unclear areas, I am open to guide in the comments section. I want to remind you again, if you plan to use this feature regularly, make sure to turn off auto updates. I am saying this because future updates will likely fix these issues, and then this feature might no longer work the way it does now. I hope this method saves you some money. If you want to support me, make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay updated with more tricks and tips like this. Thanks so much for watching.